Welcome back, gentlemen. Style isn't just about the clothes you wear, it's about how you present yourself to the world. But even the sharpest men can fall victim to common fashion pitfalls. Today we're uncovering 5 men's fashion mistakes you must avoid, and how to fix them to level up your wardrobe game. Let's dive in. First up, wearing ill-fitting clothes. Gentlemen, the wrong fit can make even the most expensive suit look sloppy. Avoid this by investing in tailoring. A perfectly tailored outfit highlights your physique and exudes confidence. Remember, fit is king. Next, let's talk about your footwear. Wearing scuffed or mismatched shoes is an instant style killer. Your shoes are the foundation of your outfit. Keep them clean, polished, and choose styles that complement your wardrobe. Classic leather sneakers or Oxfords are foolproof options. Here's a big one. Overusing logos. Sure, you love that brand, but oversized logos scream try hard. Instead, opt for clean, subtle designs. A gentleman's style speaks for itself. It doesn't need a billboard to announce it. Accessories are the icing on the cake, but they're often overlooked or overdone. Neglecting accessories or over-accessorizing can ruin an otherwise great look. Stick to the classics, a timeless watch, a leather belt, or a pocket square. These subtle touches make a big impact. And finally, clashing colors or patterns. Mixing too many bold elements can confuse your overall look. Start with a neutral base, think navy, gray or white, and add one statement color or pattern for balance. Simplicity always wins. Fashion is more than just clothing, it's your silent introduction to the world. Avoid these 5 mistakes and you'll be well on your way to dressing like a true gentleman. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on mastering the art of style and sophistication. Until next time, gentlemen.